This isn't just a journal kit, it's an experience that inspires creativity, confidence, and empowerment. Gifting this kit will make her feel supported and confident, and you'll feel great too. Inside, she'll discover 20 real stories from women who changed the world. These women dared to dream, and so can she. Packed with premium stationery and creative tools, she'll enjoy decorating and making each page her own. Bonus audio stories and calming soundscapes turn journaling into a full, multi-sensory experience. As she crafts, she's making the journal truly hers, expressing her style, her voice, and her imagination with every detail. Every cut, color, and sparkle becomes a piece of her story, one she's excited to shape, make her own, share with pride, and revisit again and again. Give her the space to dream big and tell her own story. Shop the Write Your Own Story Journal kit today and gift empowerment.